Hello everyone, I have come with the previous year question paper of 2023. This is the previous year question paper of 2023. So you can understand that what was the pattern of examination and how it is being given last year. So first it's being given here that it's series that you can see here properly. After that it's written here code number, then here the place of roll number, then you know that these instructions, so let us complete these all instructions. It's necessary to understand. So please check that this question paper contains 8 printed pages. Next, code number given on the right hand side of the question paper should be written on the title page of the answer book by the candidates. So this is given their code number, so you need to be aware. Now, please check that this question paper contains 38 questions. So there are total 38 questions in this question paper. Now next, please write down the serial numbers of the question in the answer book before attempting it. Okay. Now next, 15 minutes time has been allotted to the read this question paper. The question paper will be distributed at 10 to 15, 10.15 means that 10 quarter past 15 a.m. From 10 quarter past 15 to 10:30, 10 and a half, the candidates will read the questions paper only and will not write any question on the answer book during this period. So this time which is given here, this time is to understand the paper and how it is given, that you need to be aware from here. And after that you will see that there will be these options. It's been given that mathematics standard theory, it's given CBSE 2023. So series is WX1YZ /4, you can see here. And you know that their time is given, allowing here that 3 hours, and maximum time is here, maximum marks is 80 marks, and full time is given here 3 hours. So you need to be aware with general instruction also, because this is the pattern of examination. So I'm telling you to observe these all important contents, it's necessary here. So now it's general instructions being given. Read the following instruction carefully and follow them. This question paper contains 38 questions. All questions are compulsory. Second, question paper is divided into 5 sections, section A, B, C, D, and E. Third, in section A, question number 1 to 18 are multiple choice questions. It's called MCQ, as you know very well. And question number 19 and 20 are the ascertain reason based questions of 1 marks. Means the totals in there you will get 20 marks, and it's contain, each question contain 1 mark. Now fourth options, fourth point, it's given in section B, question number 21 to 25 are very short answer. It's called VSA type questions of 2 marks. And fifth, in section C, question number 26 to 31 are the short answer essay type questions carrying 3 marks each. Sixth, in section D, question number 32 to 35 are long answer, it's called LA type questions carrying 5 marks each. Now seventh, in section E, question number 36 to 38 are case based integrated units of the assessment questions carrying 4 marks each. Internal choice is provided in 2 marks questions in each case study. Getting? Now next point number 8, there is no overall choice, however an internal choice has been provided in 2 questions in section B, 2 questions in section C, and 2 questions in section D, and 3 questions in section E. Now ninth one, it's given the draw neat figure wherever required. Take pi, it's called in pi, we used to say equal to 22/7 wherever necessary, and it's required if not stated given. Now 10th one, use of the calculator is not allowed. So using calculator or any electronic devices are not allowed in examination. So you are also aware these all things. So it's given here, and it is the question paper of 2023 last year board examinations question paper. So I think after reading this your concepts will be more clear, because before giving your board examination you must be aware with the pattern that how questions are being asked in board examination. So now come with here. So you can see here that I am covering these all things from Sivdas, where they are given past 7 years question paper, and very important simple question paper, which is really very important, and generally students have been preparing last years who have scored very good marks to prepare from these kinds of sample paper. So you need to understand that question patterns, which is the most important from here. So let's start from here. It's section A. It's called multiple choice question. So section A consists multiple choice type questions of 1 marks. So each question's content 1 marks. So question number 1, it's the ratio of HCF to LCM of the least composite number and the least prime number is. So you have these 4 options, and I am not going with these all options because it will take too much time. You can find your exact answer. Now come with question number 2. The roots of the equation x square plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0 are. So you have these 4 options, and you can easily find the answers from here. So I'm coming with question number 3 here. It's question number 3 is given. The next term of the AP, it's given here that under root 6 comma under root 24 comma under root 54 is. So what is the correct options? You can find out from here. Now next question number 4. The distance of point -1 from x axis is. So what is the answer? You can easily find the answers. You know that it's very easy, but you need to be aware with these all things. You need to solve sums, then you can find easily and confidently. Now question number 5 here. What is the area of semicircle of the diameter d? So you have these 4 options. You can find the correct answer. Question number 6. Empirical relation between the mode, median and mean of a distribution is. So you have these 4 options, and you can find the correct answer. Now question number 7. The pair of linear equations 2x equal to 5y plus 6 and 15y equal to 6x minus 18 represents 2 lines which are. So these are the options. You know that it's very easy. Questions are also very given there, which you were reading in previous classes. So those are also given here. So you can easily find the correct answer from here. Let's start with question number 8. Question number 8 is given. If alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomials x square minus 1, then the value of alpha plus beta is what? You can find the answer from here. Now question number 9. If a pole 6 meter high casts a shadow to under root 3 to meter long on the ground, so the sun's elevation is A. Elevation is A, B, C, D. You have these 4 options, so you can find the correct option from here. Now question number 10. Sec theta when expressed in terms of cot theta is equal to what? So you have these 4 options, and you can easily find here. Now question number 11. It's given that 2 dice are thrown together. The probability of getting the differences of the numbers on the upper faces equals to 3 is. So you have these 4 options, and you can easily find correct options. Question number 12. In the given figure, triangle ABC and parallel triangle QPR, if the AC equal to 6 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, QR equal to 3 centimeter, and PR equal to X, so then the value of X is. So what the value of X is, you can find from here these options, and you can see the figure of triangle. It's given ABC, and it's given here properly, so you can find out these. And it's given here PQR. It's also given 3 centimeter and x square, so you can easily find the correct option from here. Now question number 13. The distance of the point -6 comma 8 from the origin is. So you have these 4 options, you can find correct options from here. Now come with question number 14 here. In the given figure, PQ is the tangent to the circle with the center 0. If the angle OPQ equal to X or angle POQ equal to Y, then X plus Y is what? So you have to find answer. You can see easily from here. These are pictures which will be really very helpful for your answer. Now come with the next question is. So here is the next question. In the given figure, TA is tangent to the circle with the center O, such that OT equal to 4 centimeter, angle OTA equal to 30 degree, then length of TA equal to what? So you have these four options, and you can see from here. This is the picture which you can easily understand from here. So now next is in triangle ABC, comma PQ, then BC getting, so it's parallel then BC. If PB equal to 6 centimeter, AP equal to 4 centimeter, and AQ equal to 8 centimeter, the find the length of AC. So it's so easy and interesting. You can find easily. There is given picture, and you can find the correct answer after solving this. Now question number 17, that if alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial px equal to 4x square minus 3x minus 7, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to what? You have these four options, and you can find the correct answer. So these are the questions which is really very important and easy for you. You can fulfill everything properly. So now come with question number 18 here. It's question number 18 is given, a card is drawn at the random from shuffled pack of the 52 cards. The probability that the card drawn is not an ace is, so you have these four options, and you can find the exact answer from here. Now there are two questions which is the ascertain and reason based questions, so you can easily understand from here. These questions are also very important, and there are two questions, and each question contains 1 mark, so total 2 marks weightage here. So you can see here that ascertain reason based questions. So in the following questions 19 and 20, a statement of the ascertain A is followed by a statement of reason R. Choose the correct answer out of the following choices. So now you have these four options, and you can find the exact answer. So see, these are the question number 19 here. It's given here. So it's ascertain A, the probability that a leap year has 53 Sundays is 2 by 7, and reason, the probability that non-leap year has 53 Sundays in 5 by 7. So you have these, you can choose options from here, and so this is the question number 19, and question number 20 is given. A certain A, B, C are in AP if and only if 2B equal to A plus C, then reason are the sum of the first n odd natural numbers is n square. So you can fulfill, and its option are also given on the top, so you can easily find the correct answer from here. So after completing these all 20 questions MCQs, these are really very important, and you can solve these all things properly and easily. So now I'm coming with question number on section B, question number 21. So you can see here, these are the very important questions. Each questions contain 2 marks, so you need to be aware. After solving 1 marks question, you need to fulfill these all 2 marks questions from here. So it's given here section B, and that section B consists of a very short answer VSA type of question of 2 marks each. Two numbers are the ratio. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:3, and their LCM is 180. So what is the HCF of these numbers? Getting? Now it's contain 2 marks. You know very well. You can solve easily it. Now next. Question number 22, in 1 0 of the polynomials px equal to 6x square plus 37 minus k minus 2 is the reciprocal of the other. Find the value of k. You can also find these all things properly. Now question number 23, find the sum of the product of the roots quadratic equation 2x square minus 9x plus 4 equal to 0. Or there are options, or either you can do this or that. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 5 equal to 0, and hence comment on the nature of the roots of the equation. So either you are doing that question or this question, but it contains only 2 marks. So we have completed question number 23. Now let's come with question number 24 from here. So it's given question number 24 here. If a fair coin is tossed twice, find the probability of getting the utmost on one head. So it's containing 2 marks, so you can fulfill these all answer properly. It's containing 2 marks, you can see here. Now it's question number 25. It's given that evaluate 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree plus tan square 45 degree by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So or it's given that either you can evaluate this one or B here, that if A and B are the acute angles such that the sine A minus B equal to 0, and 2 cos a plus b minus 1 equal to 0. Then the find angles a and b. So completed. So either you can do this or that. So you have these options. You can complete this question, but you will have to choose only one questions, and each question containing 2 marks, which you know very well. Now we are starting here section C. In this section C, each question contains 3 marks. So you need to be more aware and confident here, and you can solve these all questions properly, and you can get 3 marks from here. So it's given here the section C consists of the short answer essay type questions of 3 marks each. So it's given question number 26a. How many terms are there in an AP whose first and fifth terms are minus 14 and 2 respectively, and the last term is 62? Or there is option also, which term of the AP 65, 61, 57, 53 is the first negative term? So either you can do that question or these questions. Each question contains only 3 marks here. So you know that these are very important for you. Now it's question number 27. Prove that under root 5 is an irrational number. It is also containing 3 marks. So these are really very important, and if you have done very well practice, so it will be really very easy for you. Otherwise you can understand the pattern, that how in these patterns are being given here, because in board examination same these kinds of questions are being asked like that. Okay, now come with question number 28. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of the contact at the center. Okay, you can complete it. It's 3 marks given here. Now question number 29. Prove that sine a minus 2 sine 3a, then it's given that at by 2 cos 3a and cos minus cos a equal to tan a. Getting? So you have to prove that in these all things, that left side equal to right side. So it's given that proof side. So first you can start with LHS equal to RHS. So you can solve with these all things with formula, and then you can find the correct answer. Or you can prove that sec a 1 minus sine a, or sec a plus tan a equal to 1. So either you can prove this one or that. Okay, now come with question number 30. Two concentric circles are of the radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So it's also containing 3 marks, and you know very well that geometry questions are coming. Its weightages are also high there. You need to be aware with these questions. Okay, now question number 31. Find the value of p, or which the quadratic equations px x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0 has 2 equal real roots. Okay, so it's containing 3 marks, so you need to be aware from here. Now I'm coming with question section D, where each question contains 5 marks, and this section is really very important for you to getting very good marks and making your percentage and very high, and you can be able to score many marks from this section. So you need to be more aware and more confident from this section. Okay, so let's start with section D. It's that section D consists of long answer LA type question of 5 marks each. So 32, it's one you will find here all type of question. Either you can do that question or you can do this question. So you have 2 options in all questions. So this is a very good thing for section D, that you will have option. You can choose according to your own you can choose according to your own, means that easy questions, means that comfortable, which is easy for you, and you can fulfill everything properly. So now I am coming with question number 32a. It's a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing on the top of the 75-meter high tower observes 2 cars at angles of the depression of 30 degree and 60 degree, which are approaching the foot of the tower. If one car is exactly behind the other on the same side of the tower, find the distance between the 2 cars. Use under root 3 equal to 1.73. Okay, now we can read this question also. Or from the top of 7-meter high building, the angle of the elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of the depression of its foot is 30 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So either you can do that question or this question. Okay, now come with question number 33. D is point on the side of BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. Prove that CA square equal to C D. CB multiplied by D, or CB point D. It's being given here, there. Or if AD and PM are the medians of the triangle, so ABC and PQ are respectively where triangle ABC and triangle PQ are. Prove that AB by PQ or AD by PM. So generally proof types of questions are being asked, that prove that LHS equal to RHS. So you need to be more aware and confident from here. These are really very important questions to keep practice and understand the pattern of board. Now question number 34. A student was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached to its ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and its total length of 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, find the value of air content in the model. Okay, so now we have completed question number 34. Now it's question number 35. You can see here question number 35. The monthly expenditure of milk in 200 families of a housing society is given below. It's containing 5 marks. Okay, so monthly that expenditure in rupees, you can say 1000 to 1500, and then 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 205, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, and 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. And number of the families are 24 here, and in this 40, 33 and X here, and 30 and 22, and then 16 and 7. To find the value of X and also find the median and the mean the expenditure on the bill. So see, these kinds of questions are being raised, so you can easily find these all answers properly. Now I'm coming with section E. Here you can see that section E consists of 3 case study based questions of 4 marks each. So question number 36 it's given that case based study, you have to first read properly these all things, and you have to find out answer from here properly. See, it's given that 2 schools P and Q decided to award prizes to their students for 2 games of hockey, rupees X per student, and cricket rupees Y per student. So school P decided to award a total of rupees 9500 for the 2 games to 5 and 4 students respectively, while the school Q decided to award 7370 for the 2 games to 4 and 3 students respectively. Okay, so now you have to answer these all questions from here. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. So 1, represent the given information here given that algebraically in terms of you know that these we are given that represent the given information algebraically in the terms of X and Y. You have to give here. Or second, what is the prize amount for hockey? Okay, or there is option prize amount of which game is more than by how much. Next, what will be the total prize amount of there are 2 students each from the 2 games. So you know that it's containing total how many marks here. So you can see that 1 and 1 2, and there means that or based, so you can take 2 1 2 here. So it's 4 marks question. There are total 3 case based study, so it's 12 marks section. So section E contains total 12 marks. So now come with question number 37 here. It's given here that Jagdish has field which is in the shape of right angle triangle AQC. He wants to leave a space in the form of squares PQRS inside the field for growing the wheat and the remaining for the growing vegetables as shown in the figure. In the field there is the pole marked as O. So you can see in the figure that there is pole marked as O here properly, and you can observe first this picture here. So after observing these all things properly from here, you can understand what you have to answer. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. So it's given here. One, taking O is as origin and coordinates of the P are equal to minus 200 to 0 and of Q are 200 to 0. The PQRS being a square, what are the coordinates of R and S? So you have to answer this. It's containing 1 mark. Or you have again here two options. So either you can do that question or this question. So question number 2A. What is the area of a square PQRS, or what is the length of diagonal PR is a square PQRS? Okay. Now third one. So it's given if S divides SA is the ratio K ratio 1. So what is the value of K? Where the point A is 200, comma 800. It is also containing one mark. So total there are 4 marks. So first you need to be more aware with this content and with this diagram, and then you can answer these all things properly from here. So now let's come with question number 38. We are covering from here. It's question number 38. So governing council of a local public development authority of Dehradun decided to build an adventurous playground on the top of a hill, which will have the adequate space for the parking. After survey, it was decided to build rectangular playground with a semicircular area allotted for parking at one end of the playground. The length and the breadth of the rectangular playgrounds are 14 units and 7 units respectively. There are two quadrants of radius 2 units on one side of the special seats. So you can see that first the diagram how it is being made here, and you need to understand the this study case based study from here. And after observing this passage, you need to answer these four questions from here. So first question is, what is the total perimeter of the parking the area? So what the perimeter, you know very well, so you can use that formula, you can find out the answer from here. And you have there again two options. So let's come with question number 2A. What is the total area of parking and two quadrants, or what is the ratio of area of the playground to the area of parking area? Okay. Now next come with question number 3, point number 3, that find the cost of the fencing the playground and parking area of at rupees 2 per units. So you can easily find these all things. You can use the formulas and easily find out all the answers properly. And you know, these are the concept of board examinations. So it's really very easy and interesting questions here, and you can fulfill everything from here. So now I'm coming with set 2. We have completed set 1 from like that, and now we are coming with set 2. Means that in set 2 you can see here that it's given here a note, that in note you can see that except for the following questions, all the remaining questions have been asked in set 1. So these are the only questions which was asked in the set 2. Otherwise all the questions are same, which is being asked in set 1. So section A, it's been given that question number 1, which of the following is true for all values of theta q degree, and you can see that it's greater than theta greater than minus 90 degree. So you have to find the correct answer from here. So you have these four options. Now question number 2, it's given that if k plus 2 or 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are the three consecutive terms of an AP, then the value of k is what? So you have to find correct answer from here. You can choose answer clearly from here. Now question number 11, for the following distribution class, it's given 0.2 and frequency. So class 0.0 to 5, 10, 5 to 10, 15, 10 to 15, 12, 15 to 20, 20, 20 to 25, 9. So these are the frequencies are given, and this is the classes here given. So what you have to do here, you have to the sum of the lower limits of the median classes and model classes is. So what is the correct answer? You need to choose from here. So now come with question number 12. See, in question number 12, they have asked that the length of tangent drawn to the circle of radius 9 centimeter from a point 41 centimeter from the center is. So you have these four options, and you can find the correct answer from here. Next 13, in the given figure O is the center of the circle and PQ is the chord of if the tangent PR at P makes an angle of 50 degree with the PQ, then the measure of angle POQ is what? So you can see first properly this picture and you can identify the correct answer from here. Now question number 14. A bag contains five red balls and nine green balls. If the probability of drawing a green ball is three times that if a red ball, then the value of n is what? So, what is the value of n? You can find the correct answer from here. Now, question number 18. The distance of the point minus 1, comma 7 from the x minus axis is what? So, you have these four options and you can find the correct option. Now in section B it's given only one questions and otherwise all the questions are same. So it's given question number 21. Evaluate 5 by cot square 30 degree and plus 1 by sine square 60 degree equal to cot square 45 degree plus 2 sine square 90 degree. It's, again that you have to prove with that LHS equal to RHS. So evaluating here now, or either you can do that or this. So if theta is and the acute angle and sine theta equal to cos theta, so find the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 2. So you can choose any one which is comfortable for you and you can understand the pattern of board examination. Okay. So now come with question section D here. So in section D it's C it's given question number 29. The sum of the first 15 terms of an AP is 750 and its first term is 15. Find the 20th terms. So it's containing 3 marks. It's from section C. So you can do either that question or this question, or it is given that Rohan repays his total loan of 1,18,000 by paying every month starting with the first installment of rupees 1,000. If he increases the installment by 100 every month, so what amount will be paid by him in the 30th installment and what amount of the loan has been paid after 30th installment? So this is the questions which you have to answer. It's containing 3 marks. Now again there question number 30 you have to prove there. Prove that under root 3 is irrational number. It's containing 3 marks and you have to prove here also. So now next question is this next question in section D, that question number 32. From a solid cylinder of the height 20 centimeter and the diameter 12 centimeter, a colonial cavity of the height 8 centimeter and the radius 6 centimeter of the hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid. It's containing 5 marks and you need to be aware. Now question number 35. In the given figure, angle ADC equal to angle BCA, prove that triangle ACB and triangle ADC. So hence the find the BD if AC equal to 8 centimeter and AD equal to 3 centimeter. So you have this triangle. You can find here that how they are making their own angles here, and you can easily find the answer from here. Or it's given B number 1 that if a line of a drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then prove that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. It's containing also 5 marks. You can do easily from here. Now it's a set 3. It's code number 30 and /4 by 3 /4/3. So you can see here that it's set third and we are doing this final set, and these are the question which are extra questions. So it's note it's given that except for the following questions, all the remaining questions have been asked in set 1 and set 2. So you need to understand from also that these are the only questions which is being asked in set 3. Otherwise all the questions are same. So it's given that question number 7, the next term of the AP is under root 7 comma under root 28 comma under root 63 is what? So you have to option and you have to find correct option. Question number 8, sec square theta minus 1 equal to cosec square theta minus 1 equal to what? So you have to find exact answer. Question number 15, for the following distribution, marks below it's given and numbers of students. The marks is 10 by 3 10, 3 students got 10 marks, 12 students got 20 marks, 27 students got 30 marks, 57 students got 40 marks, 75 students got 50 marks, and 80 students got 60 marks. So the model of class is, so what is the model of class? You have to find the exact answer. Now come with question number 16 here. So question number 16, it's given that in the given figure, PT is a tangent at T to the circle with the center O. If angle TPO equal to 25 degree, then X is equal to what? So you have these four options and you can find the exact answer from here, and this is the picture which you can understand from here and you can answer the questions from here. Now it's question number 17. In the given picture, PQ and that you can parallel then AC. If BP equal to 4 centimeter and AP equal to 2.4 centimeter and the BQ equal to 5 centimeter, then the length of the BC is what? You have these four options, and this is the picture which is very important to understand from here. You can easily find the correct answer. Now next question is the point -4 comma 0 comma 4 0 and comma 0 3 are the verticals of the which triangle. So you have these four options, you have the name of these four triangles, you can easily find the correct answer from here. So next question is given some questions from section B here. So in section B there are only one questions. To evaluate 2 sec square theta plus 3 cosec square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta if theta is equal to 40 degrees. So you have to evaluate this. Or if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then find the value of sin 4 and theta plus cos 4 theta. Getting? So these are the questions. Except these questions, all the questions are same, so you have to do only one from here. Okay, now section C, it's given find the value of P or which one root of the quadratic equation px square minus 4x plus 8 equal to 0 is 6 times the other. Getting? Now question number 27, from the external point, 2 tangents are drawn to the circle. Prove that the line joining the external point to the center of the circle bisects the angle between the 2 tangents. Okay, it's containing 3 marks. Now come with section D. In section D, it's given here. And that first, the picture is very important for you. You need to understand from here. So it's containing 5 marks. So in all the 5 marks question here, there are all types of question. So you can see 32A. In a triangle PQR, N is point on PR such and Q and then PR if N multiplied NR equal to QNR square. Prove that angle PQR equal to 90 degree. Okay, so you can see. You can complete these questions. So you have to prove here and that angle PQR equal to 90 degree. Okay, and this is angle is given from here, I think. Yes, in the given picture, yes, this picture is for this question. In the given picture, triangle ABC and triangle DBC, triangle ABC and triangle DBC. Okay, so triangle ABC and triangle DBC are the same on the base of BC. So are the same on the base of BC. If the D intersect of BC and O, prove that AR triangle ABC by AR triangle DBC equal to AO by DB. So again, these are for proving best question. It's LHS equal to RHS. You have to identify here properly. Now it's question number 33. It's a wooden articles was made by the scooping out of the hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and the base of the radius 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of article. So it's being given here. There is a cylinder type of pictures. You can identify properly from the answer from here. So these are the questions, and after completing these questions, we have completed fully set 1, set 2 and set 3 of previous year question 2023 question paper. So last year these kinds of questions are being asked in board examinations. So these questions are really very important for you to understanding, because these are the base and before giving any examination, you should must be aware and confident to understand the pattern of that previous year question paper. It is really very helpful for you to understand and fulfill everything properly. So I have also made many formulas and important points from the chapter wise, and I have added these all video in playlist, so you can also keep revision from there. Those will be really very helpful for you, and you need to keep practice. I will come with more previous year question paper and very important sample paper, which will be really very important, and it will be necessary for your practice, because these sample paper and previous year question paper will be very helpful for you to evaluate yourself, and by that way you can be able to fulfill everything properly. So I will again tell you, keep revision and keep practice.